Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn daily English conversation between two peoples about family. So without any delay, let's start the video. How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family: my father, mother, brother, sister and me. Does your family live in a house or an apartment? We live in a house in the countryside. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital. How old is your mother? She is 40 years old, 1 year younger than my father. Do you have any siblings? What's his or her name? Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, David, and one younger sister, Mary. Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters? No, I'm not. I'm the second child in my family. What does your father or mother like? My father likes playing football and my mother likes cooking. Do your parents let you stay out late? Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 10 p.m. each night. Do you stay with your parents? Right now, no, but I used to. Does your family usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe our channel for more videos and press the bell icon for new updates. Bye bye, take care.